Hey, how you doing? Pat here. Guess what? See that sign? Yep, you guessed it. We're on I-77 South, crossing the Ohio River, back into wonderful wild West Virginia, and we've got some more adventures. So stick around and stay tuned, and let's find out what this adventure is going to be. Hey, welcome back. I'm just on the east side of Grafton, West Virginia now on US50, and depending on what part of this road you're on, it gets to be quite the fun, enjoyable, twisty road, but there are some spots that are in pretty bad shape right now also. Some of the rougher areas through here. Memory serves, this gets pretty wicked through here, not only for the corners but the bumpiness. And then this is the end of it for the most part, and I can never remember the name of this store for some reason. Cool Springs Park. Cool little country store. Got gas, ice cream, food, anything you want. They got a little park through here you can walk through, usually some turkeys and pheasants walking around, rabbits, anything. You never know. Get another really nice section on 50 after you head out of the store there and continue east towards Maryland. This section reminds me so much of the Snake in Tennessee as it's going up the mountainside. It's just left, right, or right, left, if that's what you prefer. Alright, I am on Canaan Loop Road looking for a camp spot. If you're not familiar with this road, it's even though you can't tell by looking at it right now, it's a gravel road here after just a bit that has a bunch of dispersed camping on it, and at one point after you pass where Table Rock is, it's my understanding the road gets pretty darn rough, and you better have the right kind of vehicle to get through there. I was back here a few weeks ago in my Toyota Tundra, and no, I did not attempt all that stuff, because basically with the running boards and things like that, my truck is not meant to be going through the crazy rough stuff. Talked to some Jeep people back here, and yeah, it's pretty tough. And no, I'm not going to do it on the Beamer here. My skills are not there. I'm sure lots of people can do it, just not this people. Based on the GPS, we should be coming up on the stone now. And there it is. Honestly, this all the way back to where Table Rock is, where you can go on the hiking trail, it's in pretty decent shape. There was only a couple spots that were a little rough, but I think any passenger vehicle could do this. You don't need any special trucks, 4x4s, SUVs. Matter of fact, when I was back here, and I don't know my Subarus, but it was one of the little sporty Subarus were coming out of here. They had their spoiler on the trunk and everything, so they weren't afraid of this road. If memory serves, Table Rock, where you get to the trails, like 5-6 miles down this road, there is a sign there also that says there is no maintenance, that something like low ground clearance vehicles need to turn around, something like that. I'll show you when we get there. Whether you come back here on 2 wheels or 4 wheels, really abide by the ride right rule. And some of these blind corners, take your sweet time getting around them. Because let me tell you, when I was back here in my truck, as it's a rather large vehicle, an 8-foot bed, towing mirrors, certain spots people would have to back up so you could pass each other. Yeah, I remember this area. This is one of the rougher areas of the track. But as you can see, it's not terrible. I mean, I could drive my Civic through here if I just took my sweet time. Alright, so I decided to show you the sign now. Anyway, this is the trailhead for Table Rock. And the reason I'm here now instead of tomorrow, because I planned on doing this trip tomorrow, which I still am, is there's only one other person on this entire road, and they're in the camp spot that I frickin' wanted. Go figure. That's my kind of luck, isn't it? One of these days, I'm going to have to start bringing stuff to build a fire. It would kind of be nice right now, but anyway, thanks for watching that video. Hope you got something out of it. If you would, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, bell notification, and most of all, hey, watch my videos. I appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.